In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zoho Invoice. This is a very useful feature that can help you personalize your invoices and add an extra layer of professionalism. By the end of this video, you'll have your signature neatly appearing on your invoice template, making it look more official and complete. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to take. Firstly, you'll need to access the Settings menu in your Zoho Invoice account. Start by locating the gear icon in the top right corner of your Zoho Invoice interface. Once there, find and select PDF templates from the menu options. This will open up the settings for customizing your invoice templates, where you can add various details, including your signature. The next step is to select the invoice template that you want to modify. At this point, you should be in the Invoices section, where all your templates are listed. Hover over the template that you wish to update, and a few options should become visible. Click on Edit. This action will take you into the template editor, where you'll be able to make all the necessary modifications. Now, within the template editor, turn your attention to the sidebar, which is usually on the left-hand side. Scroll through the options until you find Other Details. Click on it to open up further customization options for your template. Here, you'll look for an option labeled Signature, or sometimes referred to as Authorized Signature. There will be a checkbox next to this option, so go ahead and check it. This action enables the signature field on your invoice template. You also have the flexibility to customize the label if you want to call it something different. With the signature field now enabled, it's time to upload your signature image. You'll need a scanned image of your signature, which you can upload directly from your computer. This could be a simple photograph or a scanned copy, as long as it's clear enough to be legible on the invoice. There's also an optional step for those who might need it. If required, you can enter a name in the Signature Name field. This would typically be the name of the person who is authorizing the invoice, giving an extra layer of personalization and clarity about who the signature represents. Finally, make sure to save all your changes. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Save. Now, any invoices generated using this template will display your signature beautifully. If you'd like to check how the signature looks without saving, you can also click on Refresh Review. It's a great way to ensure everything appears just the way you want before finalizing. And that's it! You've successfully added your signature to your Zoho Invoice template. It's a straightforward process, but one that boosts the professionalism of your invoicing significantly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.